Hello friends, welcome to Instrument Hub.
This video the continuation of AMS Trex Immersion Head Communicator. If anyone has not seen the previous video, please check the link in description. Otherwise, please visit my home page. In this video, we mainly discussing about transmitter configuration, loop check method and trimming method with the AMS Trex Head Communicator. As we said in last video, we have connected transmitter to heart communicator AMS Trex. Now you can see the display. It's already detected and voltage detected, heart detected. It is showing on the display. Now going to configuration. Yeah, it's already open and all parameter uploading from transmitter to this AMS Trex heart communicator, and we can see this is the pressure transmitter and we can see the configuration. This is identity parameter and calibration, simulation, operate and diagnostic. This is main parameter on the display. First we go for identity and device. We can select on device. Once select the device, it is showing what manufacturer and what software. This all internal configuration, which kind of configuration, all showing this identity mode. I'm just back on the selection and next we go for parameter. Once enter the parameter, we can see lot of parameter selections. First we going general. General is commonly describe what is a function and local operation and local device status log and everything, that function. Next is sensor setup. Sensor setup, this is secondary sensor setup. So secondary sensor we using temperature. So temperature setup we can do this mode. Again going previous option. Next we go for sensor material. The sensor material, you can see which kind of material used. And next gauge sensor. This also you can see the model of the gauge sensor. And again previous the selection. So next to going remote scaling. Again going previous option. Next to going PID. It is important mode for all transmitters. So we can see measured value, then pressure and loop current, PV range, all showing on the display. And again going back and scaling and value input. You can see here we have to give LRV and URV, low range value and upper range value. First we change to unit. So select bar and again enter. So any option we change means we have to send on the transmitter. So now sending process going on. Now you can see it is changed to bar and here display also showing bar. And next we go for LRV and URV. So LRV we can change 0. So we don't want change, 0 is correct. And URV we go for URV. So URV we again the same procedure and send again again back, and next we go for process pressure transfer. So it is showing 4 to 20 milliampere, so we can change if need, means 4 to 20 milliampere change also possible. And next going PV bias, so it is showing PV value and what is bias value all showing on here. And next going parcel shift, and again going back, and transfer function here showing linear type. So if change means any DP flow transmitter we want to change square root, then only we have to select linear change, and it will be square root. And next output you can see first filter, this is for damping value, so we applied 1 second damping, and again go for back. Next scaling, output scaling, we have to select output scaling, you can see unit, percentage, and all parameters showing here. Again we gonna back, and next hat mapping. So once you scroll on the display, it is going down or whatever you want, and this is mapping, and it is not important, so this is among the all modes. And next we go for output, current output. Current output you can see fault safe, and all each and every point we will going to check, and if mandatory only you have to change, otherwise don't touch without any unwanted problems. So before, whenever you going to touch anything, first you want to aware, otherwise you have to check the manual properly, then only change each and every values. Again going back, next we go for calibration. So pressure sensor selected. In this mode we have to do all trim, zero trim, all kind of trim we can do here. Calibration, pressure sensor, full trim. First we going to perform zero trim. First verify there is no pressure on the diaphragm and line. So first release the vent valve, then only have to perform zero trim. So I already verified, so I go for zero trim. Zero trim, it is showing over here, it is already applied the zero. So before verify each and every point I mentioned in this video. And full trim we don't want to use. This all another all parameter we change during calibration, desk calibration only. And this is changing output, so DA trim, if we need to DA trim, it is on the lab. Next we go for simulation. This mode we have to do the loop check. So first we selected, and it is going loop tested. So you can see 4 milliampere, 8 milliampere, 20 milliampere, and other. If other we select means any milliampere value we can do. Now I given 8 milliampere. So in the same time it is monitoring on the DCS 8 milliampere. According to 8 milliampere it is showing over there. And now full range I given, that means this value, this transmitter range is 10 bar. So while it is showing 10 bar on the DCS, and loop check, whenever you complete the loop check end, then only back. Next we go for operate mode. So operate mode once open, you can see all present values it is showing. Now 4 milliampere output, 0 pressure and status is good, all showing. So we scroll down, that's all operator mode. And next going diagnostic. If diagnostic going means if something issue on the transmitter, then only we perform diagnostic mode. So each and every activity you can see on the screen. This almost among the pressure transmitter and function. I hope I all explained. If any mistake or something, just forgive. And I wish you all the best and have a bright and good future for all. So keep watch it, keep learn it. Thank you for watching and supporting. Please share this video or an information to beginners or any instrumentation people, so they can able to do this all activities in future. Thank you very much.